Hello there, and thank you for watching. This is Dina Marais, and I would like to talk to you about the relationship between taking responsibility and stress. When we take responsibility for our life, we actually take responsibility or responsibility to be able to respond in a positive way or a resourceful way to our thoughts, our feelings, our words and actions. And with that, we take accountability for what we are thinking, what we are feeling, what we are doing, and what we are saying. That means that you realize that nobody or nothing can make you think, feel, say, or do anything. It all comes from you. So there's no more like, you make me mad, or it's all your fault. That's victim mode. That is, I have no power. So when people do that to you, when you allow that to happen, you are giving your power away to your environment, to people, to places, to situations. And of course, that creates stress. That creates low vibration emotions of fear and anger and frustration, disappointment, depression, doubt. And it's also about our ego mind that has an opinion about everything. And we have all these preferences and ideas and conditions of how life should be, of how our world should be. And if it's not, according to our belief systems, according to our preferences, then we feel out of sync. And that causes stress in our body, that causes stress that we don't feel so good, okay? And you know what's the irony is that those thoughts, those conditions, those preferences, those meanings we have, ideas we have, mostly come from our default mindset that we created when we were children, that we inherited from our parents, our teachers. So the prerequisite for taking responsibility is, of course, is self-awareness. That is to become really aware of our thoughts that we have and the wonderful thing is that makes it easy as we become aware of how we feel. That if we don't feel so good, we know it's what we're thinking, it's the meaning we have about the situation, and then it's such a good time to start being this witness and asking ourselves, challenging our beliefs. Why don't I like pink? Why do I get so mad about this? What is the big deal? And we start to realize that the beliefs we have come from other people. And now we can start changing it. And we can manage our stress and get instant stress relief when we can accept things that happen, and we can pause and we can choose to respond in the way that we feel good about it. Okay, so stress as a structure. Doesn't matter whether you stress about money or relationships or children or business, stress has a structure. And I want to teach you what that structure is and how you can change it. So, why am I telling you all of this? I'm doing a virtual workshop, 5 tools to transform stress into abundance. And go to bit.ly/stress-to-abundance to get the details. And I would love for you to join me. Chat soon.